sun has come back out, so we have arrived at Epcot. And there she is, Spaceship Earth. What do you think? First time seeing it in person.
Amazing.
Bringing back the fountain might be the best thing Disney has done in a very long time. This thing is beautiful. Alright, it says 5-minute wait. Not so sure, but we're gonna do it. Let's go. If it's 5-minute wait, we gotta give it a shot, but I'm not sure. We'll see. I misremembered how short the queue is. You just get right on it. You just get to the top. My bad on that. But now we've frozen. We're stuck. We're trapped. And then we're getting off. We haven't even left the station yet, so it doesn't really matter. What?
Shut up.
You're welcome. Here we go.
Promontory, Utah. Stop. Under down. To witness the driving of a golden spike.
Holy.
Well done. Now, along with your answers, let's add in some amazing new technology that we happen to know about. Let's take a look, shall we?
Welcome to the future. Or should I say, your future.
It's me.
Here in your future, giving away a vacation is a free. Smart Suitcase knows where you're going and what you'll need. And with solar power from your home fueling station, you're on.
Who that other guy is, that's definitely not you.
Thanks to handy house.
You got left behind in the past.
Your virtual travel agent gives you options for hotels and restaurants along the way. You can just relax, take things as they come. Your board of the journey is that your car's holographic nanotechnology keeps you connected with friends back home.
Why are you all beat up?
I don't know. Cut my head off. Alright, so we just got done with Spaceship Earth. What did you like better, the actual ride or the video game you played at the end?
Alright.
Oh, I'm surprised. Always a fun one. Supposedly the big refurb's still coming sometime in the not too distant future, so ride it while you can. I think at this point the Epcot construction walls are intentionally set up as a maze because I found like 6 dead ends that I didn't know existed. Yeah, we're back! We made it back and there's Tinkerbell! But even though Epcot doesn't look anything like this anymore. Soaring, always a good time. What did you think?
Freaky and cool at the same time.
He's a little sketch on height. There were certain times where he got a little wonky, but overall it was fun. Would you do that one again though? Probably. Well, that's a better answer than what we got on Tower of Terror, so I'd say this is a success. I think we have time for one last ride before we head over to try and catch the fireworks. And Journey into Imagination is currently a walk-on.
I actually don't like fireworks, they're too loud.
We'll probably find a place where they won't be too loud for you then. Gonna go see Figment. We've got the entire cart to ourselves here on Journey into Imagination.
Capture your imagination.
Nephew P didn't want to sit with me, so he sat in the back.
Absolutely not.
We're gonna get to meet a little bit of Figment.
Figment of imagination.
Yeah, I know all about the senses.
I'm already singing the song. It's already in my head. Appearing.
Can raise your fancy. Your mind is more than what your eyes see.
Especially when pleasant, familiar smells come into play.
Come into play? I'd love to!
Figment, this is not a good time.
It's always a good time to use your imagination, so let the good times roll!
Oh no!
You win one cent!
Figment, don't!
Of course, Doc, the nose knows!
All with
A dream of inspiration is in the heart of all creation. One little star lit up for you. So, you liked Journey into Imagination?
Yeah.
We got a winner. So basically, in just an hour here in Epcot, we managed to ride Spaceship Earth, Soaring, and Journey into Imagination in just like an hour. And we still got time to get some food and maybe catch the fireworks, so
I'm playing this.
I'm glad we came out and came back out for a night at Epcot. Are you glad we came to Epcot?
Yeah.
What kind of psychopathic, demented figment are you designing?
I want to be crazy.
I get to name him.
Good job.
Alright, so since food and wine is going on here, we checked out the brew wing offerings at the Epcot Experience. Nephew P's got the cheese flatbread. I got the garlic parmesan wings. He's got a bottle of water. He's eating my celery. That's fine. I don't eat celery. I don't know what this is. This just came with my food, so I took it just because it came with it. But I'll try it. Alright, here we go. Garlic parmesan wings from Brew Wing. Cleverly named, by the way. On apple teas. Okay. Yep. Hold on. Got some provolone in there that I know was in there. That's my fault.
That's a choking hazard.
That is a choking hazard. That's good though.
I like the celery.
This is a good choice. We went to Mexico and it was packed in Mexico. I wanted to maybe get a taco and margarita. I don't drink, I just wanted to sample it for the channel. It was way too busy over there. We got our food and everything in a heartbeat here. Come to that Epcot Experience if you want something quick to eat while you're here. Alright, so Nephew P informed me earlier, he thinks that sometimes fireworks are just a little too loud. So I came up with an interesting idea where we can still see the fireworks, but maybe not be right in the middle of the show. Since they took out so many of the elements that are out on the water with the kites and the jet skis not being out there, I figure we'll sit over here on the bridge coming away from the Epcot Experience and just see how well we can see the show from here. What do you think? Good plan? Brought this kid to Disney World and I get shrugs out of it. Monorail!
That's the train that you're gonna send me on?
No, I was gonna put you on a bus back to Texas.
I thought we haven't been to Texas.
Sight for sore eyes. They only just started running the Epcot monorail like a week or so ago. Maybe less. Who knows? But Nephew P is going to Texas for the first time. I'm gonna put him on a bus tomorrow and then I'm gonna go to the Magic Kingdom.
No.
We'll see. This would almost be a perfect view if the monorail beam wasn't right in the way. Granted, it's been probably 2 years since I saw fireworks at Epcot. I don't remember it being this smoky. I don't know if the video's picking this up at all. Let me see if I can turn it this way.
It's so smoky.
It is just a huge smoke cloud just lingering in the air. Good show though. This legit feels like we're walking through The Walking Dead or something like that. If I see a zombie, I'm feeding you to them. You're the bait. Don't touch it. Oh! Leave him be. Go away, Mr. Frog. Don't touch him. Let him live his life. He's a free frog. Alright, back to the car. After what I have to say was an incredibly successful night at Epcot. We were basically only here for 2 hours, and we got done with 3 rides. Got some good food, which I got to shout out Nephew P. I wanted to go to Mexico. We walked over there. It looked a little too busy. He had said he saw some pizza that looked good back at the Epcot experience. We routed back there. We ate there. Solid little quick meal. Got to see the fireworks show to wrap up the night. 2 thumbs heavily up. Thoughts on the day overall? Epcot?
Tiring.
Tiring. That is totally true. That's just Disney in a nutshell. I gotta say though, this is basically part 2 of day 1 of our trip. Go back and watch part 1 at Hollywood Studios if you haven't done so already. His feet hurt. I feel like honestly completely different leaving Epcot. Maybe it's because it's night, it's a little bit cooler than leaving Hollywood Studios. I felt like drained, defeated. Like I didn't really have that much fun at Hollywood Studios, isn't like I normally would think I had, but I had a blast here at Epcot tonight. Glad I had him with me there to keep me entertained and keep me having fun. More to come tomorrow. Make sure you're subscribed and have the notifications turned on so you don't miss that. Any final thoughts on your first day ever at Walt Disney World?
Very tiring.
Very tiring. That is probably the perfect way to sum it up. We'll see you soon.